This is Benidorm before rain comes back again. Clouds are coming slowly but surely to our lovely city of Benidorm. Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna, and let's enjoy a short walk down the traditional city center, packed up with cheap bars, shops, and already fancy and nice for Christmas season, right before rain comes. This evening there was supposed to be some rain and some clouds all around Benidorm, Albir, and Altea. So we're here right before we still can to show you everything that's out here. Some typical Spanish and international bars, places that offer some nice breakfast. Some of those offer plate of the day or meal of the day, typical traditional Spanish. Complete breakfast plus coffee from €3. Plate of the day from 8. This one here with drink and coffee, €11. This is actually quite nice, and portions and rations are quite generous, I have to say. All these places are popular and visited by locals mostly. People know a good deal when they see one, especially Spanish and national tourists. So if the place is busy, go there. Trust me, the food's going to be good. It's going to be typical Spanish, authentic, nothing fancy, but it's going to be also affordable. All this area is the walking street that goes directly towards the Tapas Alley. And here is where we have a lot of Christmas decorations. Probably we should do one of the videos here at night time as well. But as for now, you can see that there is quite a bit of Christmas decorations. And in the evening, this looks gorgeous. There's even a Christmas house that we will see right now in the video. So you would know where it's located. If you want to go to see a Santa Claus or Santa sleigh, make some Christmas pictures. It's all right here. Typical supermarkets. This is kind of like a 24-hour supermarket, but not exactly, because they have like all basic things. You can see the prices are really affordable. A lot of the times in these places you can catch some authentic offers, and locals, especially third age, like already advanced age generations, they prefer to shop in these types of supermarkets. Some crafts places, cinema is also located right there in front of us. And there's plenty of hotels and accommodation options here in the center too, which are actually quite a good deal if you think, because these places are not expensive at all. They're located in the privileged location that a lot of tourists, international tourists, don't know about or rarely visit. And there's also typical Spanish bars like this one, which is called the Octopus the Pirate. This is a bar of typical traditional Spanish food. We tried to go there once, but they didn't have anything that we liked, which is strange because we're not actually picky eaters. But maybe in the nearest future, we'll go there and show it to you guys. Some typical Belén. Belén is an authentic, like old style village where people have sheep. There's like wooden houses. It's more on a religious side. A lot of people, they do not put a Christmas tree, but they put Belén instead, those who are religious. And some people do combine both things, Christmas tree and the Belén. So here is a giant Belén right next to us, and it's lovely when it's open. Right now, sadly, the building is closed. Usually it's open up in the evening. A lot of locals, a lot of people going back and forth and around. This is a busy place where people come for work, for leisure purposes, to grab some food, snacks, and shopping. Here, for example, you can see menu $12.50. Oh, $12.50, 3-course menu. Oh my God. This is, I think, is this one the cheapest one? Or did we have slightly cheaper options anywhere? I don't remember already, but I almost feel like this might be the cheapest one that exists in Benidorm town. $12.50. This is incredibly cheap. Granier, our favorite pastry and bakery. There's 2 of them here, and they have incredible cakes. These ones, they're all fresh, by the way. And they have some nice pastry, sweet and savory one, tortilla de patata. They provide typical Spanish breakfast too, by the way, which a lot of people are getting out here. And they have a lot of bread options of different kind. So this is a great place if you want to grab something fresh for breakfast. Followed by some nail salons. There's plenty of places here that are closed now, and this is because it is siesta time. When we're filming this video, it's almost 4 p.m. now, so from 2 to 5 a lot of places are closed down, and they start to open up back again at 5. So in approximately 45 minutes, 1 hour, that's when these places will be open back again. But for siesta, especially in this area, you can see that it's not as touristic for international tourism when siesta is a sacred thing to do. When you see so many places closed, that is because it's typical local area where everyone closed down from 2 to 5. Lovely cafeterias, Cafe Troyano. We actually like this place. We've visited it more than once when we've had to do some consultations with clients or property checks, etc. for our migration consulting company. That is where we always go for a breakfast. For those who love aesthetics, nails, depilations, etc., you can see the prices. These are the prices for right now. It's actually really cheap. How in the world is the manicure 8 euros? I cannot imagine it. It's really cheap. It's not everywhere though. You can find crazy prices here too, but it is just strange to see such cheap offer. That's actually a bizarre. Ramen places, we've liked the ramen here. It's actually very, very tasty. Oh, I think we filmed a short video here on the channel for you guys. My husband says it's slightly too expensive in his opinion, but I don't know, I felt like it was all right. It's a huge bowl of food, so for the money, it's like a plate of the day, like a meal of the day. So I don't think it's that bad. From here onwards, it's a slightly more touristic area, so you can see already immediately offers 5-10 euros for different types of clothes and accessories, and the famous Christmas house is also here. Like this, you can see better if we zoom it out a little bit. This is a typical Christmas house, a lovely place. They've refurbished it, they've reformed it from the inside and from the outside. It looks gorgeous. It looks very, very nice. And obviously no one takes down these things. It's a place where everyone are coming to celebrate. There's been concerts here. People are coming here in the evening, mornings and evenings too. Evenings, it's way more beautiful because all the Christmas lights are on. And right there in the garden is where the Santa sleigh is located. Churros with chocolate right here nearby, by the way. And this is the typical municipal market. The Hotel Villa España, which was ex-Magic Phoenicia, is located right there on the right side. And in front, we have the Tapas Alley. So as you can see, we are already in a touristic area. So here, way more places are open. You can see that all the bars here nearby are also open. Breakfast, coffee and toast, 380. Coffee, toast and juice, 570. Slightly on the more expensive side, I would say. And immediately, menu of the day, 1650. Immediately. But it has bread, wine, water, and coffee or dessert included. The other one also had 3 courses. It depends which type of food it is, if it's a lot of seafood or if it's something more elaborated, more expensive fish or meat. But overall, you can see the giant difference from 1250 to 1650 in this area. It's just, 300, 400 meters away, but the price says all of it because it's located way more towards the touristic side. Some new places here. This is a newer cafeteria, very holy glory, I think it says. And it's actually not bad. It does look quite nice. It's like a bakery type of a place, but what's cafeteria as well. Been here, tried that. We've tried almost the vast majority of restaurants here on the Tapas Alley, and they are all, I think they're all in the Benidorm food playlist where we've tried, reviewed, and checked out the prices and everything. Lovely place, flavor of Spain. They do their own caramel here, by the way. Oh, how gorgeous is that? And there's a lot of nice gifts that you can bring from here for your friends, family members, relatives, anyone you want to bring a gift from Benidorm, or even for yourselves as a nice souvenir from our sunny town. There's quite a lot of really, really tasty things out there that you're able to get. Slightly further along, and the clouds keep coming more and more. As you can see, by today's evening, it should be cloudy in the whole area, and there might even be some rain. We've seen it rain a tiniest bit in Albir right now, so probably it's gonna come here towards Benidorm. It shouldn't be much. It might be just a few drops every now and then, not more. But still, we prefer to enjoy the walk before rain actually comes here, because it is not summer anymore. It's not fun. Ooh, Christmas market. It's not fun to have a walk when it's raining. Menu of the company, 25 euros. And menu of the day, 16. Menu of the company. By the way, this is something that Spanish do. Between November and December, many companies organize company dinners where they gather everyone with the company and they book some kind of a restaurant. That's why it's company's menu. Glühwein. Okay, hot wine drinks. Let's see what they have here. Argentinian empanadas. Look at that. These are actually tasty. These are actually very, very good. We've tried these and they're really, really good. Argentinian empanadas are delicious. Try those in different shops, in different places, handmade, homemade, really nice. Some dried out fruit and some nuts and some sweets of different kind. They remind me like of Turkish sweets, like Eastern sweets, if you know what I mean. Then some dolls here that you can put the name on. You can put the name free of charge, supposed to be. Then some toys for the kids in general, some accessories, some scarves. Where would we go without scarves? And obviously our famous Benidorm doves that keep living here. Roast chestnuts and a whole market right there on the Poniente beach. This is how Benidorm's traditional city center and a mecca for cheap bars and restaurants and nice places where locals go looks like right now.